Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I hope you all are doing well. Tell me how you're doing in the comment section. Today, I'll come up with a new video of a lips drawing. Normal lips turn into realistic lips. How it would be? I'll explain step by step. And before moving to video, I have a small request. This is my new channel. Please subscribe and share. Let's dive into video. Welcome to our art tutorial. Today I guide you through the step-by-step process of drawing realistic side lips and mastering the art of blending red and pink colors. Starting by sketching the basic outline of the side lips using a light pencil. Follow the natural curves and shapes, paying attention to details like the cupid bows, the upper and lower lip contours, and the corners of the mouth. And to shape out the lips, then now begin to shading and add depth and dimension. Focus on areas where shadows naturally fall, such as the creases between the lips and the gap and beneath the lower lip and around the corners of the mouth. Use varying pressures with your pencil for light and dark tones.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby.
And next it's time to introduce the red and pink colors. Begin with the lighter shade of pink, gently layering it over the lips to establish a base. Gradually transition to red, focusing on the areas where the lips naturally have a deeper hue. Use a blending tool or cotton swab to blend the red and pink colors seamlessly. Soften and harshen lines and create a smooth transition between the shades. Take your time and build up the colors gradually for a realistic effect. And for the finishing touches, refine the details. Add highlights along the edges of the lips using a white pencil or eraser, emphasizing the areas that catch the light. This step will enhance the realism of your drawing. And there you have it, your realistic side lips drawing with stunning red and pink color blending is complete. Feel free to experiment with different shades and techniques to add your own personal touch. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more art tutorials. Thank you for watching. We'll meet you in the next time. Bye.